A new day is about to be born. The sun is rising. The earthly paradise reviving. The shadows of the night are slowly fading into the morning light. Darkness melts away, disappearing with grace, whereas a primordial thought that creates and procreates begins to embrace its own creation in the final stage of its formation. The sky and the earth and everything else, all the elements of its divine imagination, have reached the moment of completion and finalization. It was the final phase of transformation, a process of self-realization, in order to exist in perfect harmony and synchronization. Everything was in the right position, rate and beat. Finally, the Maker's thought has rested from everything it previously did. Yet, what hasn't been done, which is all of the rest, in the future, it was planned to be addressed. Then, by the holy word, the created world had been sanctified. The seventh moment of creation was blessed as a day of rest and freedom, as a day of purity and spiritual quest. Throughout the long 6 dimensions of thought, the Maker had performed a miraculous project, through blinding darkness and brilliant light, developing the creation to its maximum potential height. Now, one should pay attention to the following riddling essay. There was evening of the 6th day, followed by the morning of the 7th. Yet, the evening of the 7th day had never come. The 7th blessed day was left uncompleted. The created world had inherited an intelligent clue, while the rest of the work was left to the beings to do. Therefore, the presence of the world we live in is still the same 7th uncompleted phase of creation. That same 7th blessed day in which humankind is destined for an important role to play, to think, to work, to praise, and to obey. Thus, within the glowing rainbow ray, a message of hope was conveyed to them, promising that everything will be okay. Yes, the future might be promising ahead, as long as we are following the good and staying away from the bad. Yet, if on a dark night you will direct a telescopic eye toward the endless depths of the starry sky, you might notice some strange, unfamiliar in nature objects, hovering, floating high above, as if they were part of the cosmic space and the celestial elements of time. These are intelligent machines, and they belong to the race with the human face, who was born in the blossoming garden, yet for a reason was sent away to learn and search for a better way. And that's what humans do, and with great persistence, utilizing advanced machines for their assistance, to find harmony in a perfect place, which they believe lies somewhere in the distant space. So, aboard flying machines, humans have ascended far into the boundless abyss, leaving everything behind, with one thought on their mind, the lost Garden of Eden to find. They kept searching and researching throughout the dark cosmic expanse, by relying on their advanced high-tech sense. They have scouted the space in every possible direction. They went back and forth and again back, yet the abyss has remained silent, cold, and pitch black. They almost lost their hopes to find an idyllic place to satisfy their insatiable wishes and desires. They began to ask for a sign and a hint that could elevate their spirits and their souls inspire. And as if unexpectedly, one of them has reached toward the ancient holy scroll and started reading through it all. Only now did they begin to grasp the wisdom hidden under the cosmic dome. Suddenly, in the dark of the abyss, they beheld the grace of Eden. It was right there before their eyes, in white and blue, and it was pure and true. It was their only loving Mother Earth, which they always treated like a clump of dirt. Yet, finally, they have begun to grasp and accept with piety all this miraculous and strangely beautiful reality, just as it is. And they have glorified and praised the one and only, who made all that to be and exist.